looks so cool! Ah! Let's go! Don't start no won't be no ah! What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are starting a new series and I am so excited for this one. I know a lot of you guys really love the show. It is a fan favorite and it's actually the show that won the Patreon poll. So thank you guys so much for those who voted. But today we are starting Chainsaw Man. And yeah, I'm just super excited to begin this journey. I've heard nothing but amazing things about it. I also heard the manga is really good. So I'm just over the moon to start this series. But before we do, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for me. I really do appreciate it. And you should totally check out my Patreon where I do post full uncut versions of everything. There is also exclusive content on there, and you can catch me live on Twitch 3 times a week as well. So let's get into Chainsaw Man. It's making me anxious. Was he dreaming? Oh wow. Okay. He's so cute. That's disgusting. Wow. Okay. So far, so good. I was gonna say it kind of looked like a tomato. So if he could have just been hunting, what was the point of giving up all his, like, body parts? Oh, he's getting finessed. Oh my god. Gotta love adulting. Uh-oh. Oh, that sucks. Don't do it. Oh my goodness. Isn't 100 yen like the equivalent of $1? Because I think you've removed the last 2 digits. So eating a cigarette for $1 is crazy. Oh, smart boy. So cute. It's a good dream. Oh, is that when his dad died? Oh, wow. That's insane. Oh my god. Oh no, 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 no. 10 minutes in and I'm crying already. Over a chainsaw dog. So cute. Oh. Oh, it's like his little best friend. So cute.
女とイチャイチャしたりして、一緒に部屋でゲームして抱かれながら眠るんだ。いいだろ。
Oh my god. I love it. What's wrong with him? Oh my gosh. Oh, this feels sus. He's not answering him. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. No, 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 get out of there, get out of there, get out of there. Oh my god. Wait, wait, wait. Oh my god, why? Oh my god. Go, 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 go. At least they're the dumb zombies. Go, 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 go. Oh my god, they're kind of fast. Ah, no. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh my god, they really tossed him in the trash. Oh. Animals always get me. So sad. Oh god. Oh. Okay. Yay! Oh! Oh, his little tail. Oh my god. Oh my god. Gross. Gross. You're joking. Hear the motor. He looks so cool. Ah! Let's go. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh, now you scared. Now you scared. Don't start no sh won't be no sh ah! Oh my god, I just got chills. Gotta get rid of them. Yep. My god, he's so... Oh yeah, get that one. He's enjoying that a little too much. Wheel. Talk about a bloodbath. Can he just like transform out of that on his own? They basically became one. Is he in shock? Oh, he's exhausted. Aww. Ah! Oh, nice. I thought she was kind of connected with the other guys, but no. Love at first sight for him. Don't end up like them, buddy. Bread and jam, say less. So cute. Ah. Oh my god, that was so good. Okay. I feel like I cried most of that. Okay, that was so good. So good. I felt so bad for him, though. I mean, he was basically dragged into this lifestyle. Let's just call it a lifestyle. And completely against his will. He has no option. His father was part of it, and he offed himself. And here he is, a child stuck with this debt. And he lived a shitty life. Like, he had to go through all these things. He never got a fair chance at life. And I think that's the part that's really unfortunate. Especially when he was talking about, like, oh, you know, when they were like, oh, they want to come back for more, you know, maybe it's kind of like me with the equivalent of like me dreaming for a better life. It's like, buddy, you have all the right in the world to wish and want for more. Like, I understand him with his little like chainsaw puppy, you know, at least they have each other to an extent. So like, yes, that's a positive thing. But life has repeatedly worked against you and repeatedly kind of, you know, beat you into the dirt. So it's okay to want more out of life. You deserve it because off the rip, you didn't have a fair chance at life. And I'm so glad. I'm so glad that they managed to fuse together because he really does deserve a second chance at life. And the fact that he's like, I'll give you my heart, but I want you to show me your dream. Like, I'm about to start crying. So cute. So, oh my God, the little dog, I think it's Poshita? Poshita? So stinking cute. And the girl, she looks like she's awesome. And I don't know. I'm super excited to see where that's going to go. At first, I thought she was part of the group with the other guys. But like at first I thought when she pulled up, it was to check on them like, oh, hey, this is taking way longer than it should be. But no, she's completely with a different organization. And she's just there to get rid of the zombie devil, which she was a little bit too late because he cleared up everything. Nonetheless, I am so happy for him that he really does get another opportunity in life and to kind of clear away all the past debt and let's just call it trauma and just kind of get a fresh start. And I'm glad that even though Poshita isn't like there, he, I don't know what the dog is still a part of him regardless of everything. So that's really cute. The show was so good. So good. All right. Thank you so much for watching episode 1, and I look forward to episode 2 with you guys. Bye.